Ever wondered how a single review can make or break your business? Welcome to the world of reputation management. Imagine turning every customer feedback into a golden opportunity. Regularly monitor and respond to reviews on platforms like Google Maps, Yelp, and Glassdoor. Dive deep into the conversations about your brand with social listening tools. Conduct surveys and interviews to truly understand customer sentiment. A positive customer experience is your secret weapon. Address issues promptly and use feedback to continuously improve your products and services. When disaster strikes, be prepared with a crisis communication plan. Quick and effective responses can mitigate damage and protect your brand. Stay ahead of the competition by analyzing their reputation management strategies. Identify areas for improvement and lead the market. Turn satisfied customers and employees into brand advocates. User-generated content and testimonials can significantly boost your reputation. Choose the right tools to automate monitoring and response processes. Tools like Sprout Social provide comprehensive solutions for managing your brand's online presence. Collect and analyze data from social media, review sites, and customer feedback. Use this information to identify trends and areas for improvement. Highlight positive reviews and customer testimonials on your website and social media. Create content that showcases your brand's strengths and achievements.